So you just received notice that your attorney is trying to fire you as their client. What should you do? We're talking about that right now. Hi, I'm Naomi from Gonzalez Law, empowering Californians through legal education. Your first clue that your attorney is trying to fire you as a client might be your receipt of the petition to be relieved as counsel. The first thing you should do is read that petition very carefully. You need to find the reason your attorney is giving for their dismissal. The most likely explanation they're giving is the generic breakdown of communication. This is kind of a catch-all, does not give a lot of specifics. If this is happening to you, you need to decide if you want to fight this dismissal or not. To fight, you're most likely going to need to come to a hearing with proof that you have been responsive to your attorney. This might be text messages or emails or maybe a phone call log showing that you have been talking to them. If it is communication issues, then you are stuck between a rock and a hard place because most people will not fight the dismissal. Who wants to be represented by an attorney who doesn't want to represent them? On the other hand, it might be hard for you to find an attorney that is willing to take your case. The new attorney will think to themselves, were you that bad of a client that your attorney was willing to walk away from their full legal fees just so that they don't represent you? They're going to think there's more to the story. Your best bet is probably to still look for an attorney that will take your case. You might still get somebody to take you. Stick to the facts and don't try to blame your attorney for more than what they did.
If you were at fault, take responsibility for your part. Let the new attorney know what steps you are taking to avoid making the same mistake with them.
If you can't find another attorney to represent you, then you can represent yourself. You might just facilitate the dismissal yourself. I'll link to the video that shows you how to do that. But keep in mind, when you're reading the petition, it might not be a communication breakdown. Instead, there might be another reason. Your attorney might be swamped with clients and just can't handle your case competently. Or they might have died, or they might have been disbarred or suspended, and that's why they can't keep you as a client. If they have been disbarred or suspended, look at this video, which tells you your options after receiving notice. And if you would like to talk to us about your case, text this consult and we'll be very happy to talk to you. And don't forget to press like so more people can be empowered. Thank you. Bye. Us about your case, text this consult